everybody. We're going to create a landing page today. Just a short video to walk through creating a landing page, different ways to create one, and how to even include a squeeze page within a landing page. So I hope you've already watched the squeeze page video. So let's go straight to the KvCore platform and find our landing page. Okay, so I'm just going to start at the beginning again. We'll start at the dashboard. Anytime you enter KvCore, you'll see the dashboard. Okay, we're going to scroll down to Lead Engine. That's where we create opportunities to pull leads into our site. So I'm going to click on Lead Engine. And the very first one is landing page. It's a customizable landing page for any campaign, for buyers, for sellers. You could do one for vendors, renters, our lead type categories. So we are going to select the domain, which will be your own personal website address, and start building. So as you see, you can see the United Real Estate logo in the middle. Don't ever delete that. That must be on your landing page. You can, however, change your background, but we're going to get to that. I'm just going to start at the top left and show you some options. So we are going to create a landing page today for lead generation. We can create landing pages and include a video. We can do so much more with this, but we haven't gotten there yet. If you're following along in your agent success plan with KvCore, we're not quite there yet. So we are just creating a landing page now, and in the future we'll be able to add video and talk about more advanced ways. They do recommend a hashtag, just because when you create a landing page and people sign up with their email, you do want that hashtag so you know where the lead came from and with what landing page, and that will appear in your smart CRM. They will become a contact. So I'm going to create a landing page today, and it's going to be Nick Miller's listing in Arbor Woods is going to be my draw. We created in the last video a single property squeeze page for Nick's listing. So I am going to do that now. So I'm going to put in Arbor Woods. So that lets me know that's where the people that came from that see the landing page. Okay, submit button text. So the orange here where it says see the list now, whatever you type in the submit button text is what appears in the orange. So I don't think I really want to say see the list now. I'm going to say find your dream home. You can say whatever you want here. Okay, and as you can see, it shows up here in the bottom right, find your dream home. Now, after they log in, the URL, I already have Nick's squeeze page URL saved. So I'm going to copy and paste. There it is. I am not going to require a phone number. That is one of the recommendations. You can, if you choose, you can, someone must put in a cell phone, and it would just not say optional here if you do that. So I'm going to say no, as long as I get your email, I'm good. You can change that though. Background. Okay, so the background now is this woman looking up to the sky. I'm going to change that. So just go through and see what you like. There's one that says map. Okay, there's the lady. There's exterior, kitchen, villa. Doesn't look like Kentucky, but it's beautiful. Modern. It's pretty cool. This is my favorite, farmhouse. I just love that. But just so you know, just scroll down and see what your options are. Oh, that's a nice one. Living room. Happy. And then there's another kitchen. Now, you can create a custom background. So if I was creating my own, if I was promoting my own listing, I would pull, well, I'll do this for next. Primary MLS image. Since I have linked it to a specific property, if I click on primary MLS image, oh, I have to put the MLS in. Okay, let me find that again. Okay, there it is. It's already highlighted, so I'll copy it. And primary MLS image, paste it. Okay, so there we go. So it's promoting Nick's property. You can change any of these you want. Your town real estate deals. I'm going to say, are you ready to find your next home? Okay. I'll leave all these. Okay, so there we go. So now I click save. So once you click save, you cannot edit it. You will always get this pop up. So once I hit save, that's it. I can't edit. Okay, so here's my landing page. So if I put in my email, click find your dream home, it will capture my information and it will take me to the page. You can share this top left, the little share link. You could share it to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Pinterest. So let's say I click on Facebook to share it. There it goes. It's right there. However, this is on my personal. This is my personal page, not my business page. So I would not use that shareable link. I would copy this. Copy, and then I would paste the link. Create a post. Well, okay, I'm going to copy the link over a link just so we see. Sorry. Paste. And there's my new squeeze page, the landing page. Are you ready to find your next home? So it takes them to a landing page. Let's click on it just to see. Oh, it won't let me right now. Okay, so I'm not going to post it, but that's as a good way to do it. Okay, I'm going to stop the recording in a minute. That was just creating a landing page. Landing pages they allow you to capture information and drive more people to your actual website. So they do recommend you using a landing page 99% of the time. But as you can see, I included a squeeze page within a landing page. So kind of like, I kind of like that option as well. So anytime you have any questions, let me know. We're all learning as we go. And like Bonnie said, you know, don't just keep your toes in the water, go on and jump in and dive in. So I hope you all have a great day, and thank you for the opportunity to create a landing page with you.